Welcome to Decrypt Crypto. This is a new series that we're going to be doing, and it's focused on new investors who want to learn about cryptocurrency but don't quite know where to go. And we're going to make sure that this is extremely simplified. So with that being said, the subject we're discussing today in episode 1 is what is a cryptocurrency. First of all, cryptocurrencies is 100% digital. We don't have anything physical such as cash like we have with the US dollar, the euro. So it's 100% digital and only accessible through the internet. Secondly, everything is actually encrypted using cryptography. Okay, so I'm going to give you a very easy example for you to understand. Let's just say that you go to the bank and you have an account with that bank and you put in your ATM card or your debit card into the cash machine or the ATM and you put your PIN in and press enter. You are actually now accessing your account, and once you get that PIN correct, you now have access to your account. You can withdraw money and do what you need to do. That entire process that bank uses is using cryptography. The bank has set up a way in which you put in a secret code, and once you press enter, you're able to now actually pull out your money. But it also validates and authenticates that you are the person who is accessing your account, and this is done with the banking system. Now, where cryptocurrency differs from this is that it's actually peerless. So there's two parts to this. You have a public facing address, which means I can send you cryptocurrency to your public facing address. However, only you can access your account using your private key, very similar to the way that you would put in your PIN in order to access your account at a bank. Before we resume the video, if you still need a personalized discussion, schedule a one-on-one call with us at decryptcrypto.net, and we'll be here to support you on your journey. With that being said, let's get back into the video. So now let's remove the banking system completely from this equation. When it comes to cryptocurrency, you become your own bank. And in doing so, each transaction that you partake in is recorded on something called a blockchain. So you no longer need a bank to centrally record any transaction that you make, whether you're spending or receiving money. It's no longer recorded on a banking system which they can access from their computers. Rather, every transaction is recorded on something called a blockchain, which is innately built within each layer 1 cryptocurrency. So in the next video, we're going to actually be covering the different types of cryptocurrencies. You probably heard of Bitcoin, you probably heard of Ethereum, but you're probably wondering what the differences are between them. So in the next video, we're going to cover that in a little more detail, but keep it extremely simple. With that being said, see you on the next episode. Have a great day.